So now I'm actually going to do some basic, as I said, source record editing. I'll load up a shot here. I'll define an endpoint, and then I'll notice that it's green up here. I'll come back to my timeline. I'll define an endpoint and an out point, and I will hit the overwrite button, and there, I just actually dropped the shot in, and if needed, I can pick up the shot and move it anywhere upstream or downstream towards the head or towards the tail of my timeline. So there is a fair amount of editorial capability that you have here. So I think I'm pretty happy with my basic shot list, my basic string out here. So as producer, I think I'm ready to hand the baton to a real editor so that he or she can continue to work on the cut. But before I do so, I think I'm going to add some markers to draw the editor's attention to some of the more finer points of this basic shot list. So to do that, I'm going to click on an area of my timeline, and I'll click up here under markers. I'll call this helicopter. And then we'll click on another section and add another marker. We'll call it close up. And finally, let's see, let's find another shot. We'll call this title card. All right, I've added my markers, and since Editorial Management writes any change directly into the Media Composer bin, this should be immediately available inside Media Composer. So I'll open up the bin in question, open up this sequence in question, and if I advance to my first marker, that says helicopter, right up here. If I advance to the next marker, that says close up, and finally, title card. So it is writing those changes directly into the bin so that the editor can see what I'm doing inside the browser interface of Editorial Management. That concludes this overview of the timeline editing capabilities in Editorial Management, new to version 2019.5. Thank you for watching.